So now we are going to summarize the whole chapter which we have learned with the help of the mind map. So what is our chapter name? Very good. The long and short of it. So what is the chapter name? The long and short of it. So what we have learned in the first standard is our previous scope. So you have learned about the non-standard unit. With the help of the non-standard unit, you have learned, isn't it? So with the help of the PEP activity, we were learning about the non-standard unit which you have learned in the first standard. And you have learned about the difference between the length and the height. So what is the difference between the length and the height? Tell me the answer. Very good. Length is nothing but how long the object is. Height, how tall the object is. So it depends upon the object which we are going to measure. So what are the non-standard unit? Hand span, foot span and cubit. So these are the things which you use to measure the object. So in second standard, what you have learned? Yeah, how you can measure the object with the help of the ruler. Already you have learned how we have to use the ruler in the chapter 1 itself for drawing the shapes, for drawing a line, horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line, isn't it? So you have learned very well in the chapter 1 itself how you can use the ruler. Then we have introduced the standard units which can be measured. So whoever is going to measure, what happens? The measurement is not going to be changed with the help of meter and the centimeter. So identification of the appropriate unit of the measurement. So what is that? Yeah, we have more objects. With that object, whether we have to use the centimeter or the meter. So which standard unit we are going to use to measure the object? Estimation of length. So we have estimated the length with the help of the standard units, isn't it? The next one. So what you have learned? Measurement. So length, that is wide. Can you see the line here? What it is? Horizontal line. So what is the height? How tall the object is. How the arrow mark is? Very good. It is in a vertical line. So what is that? Vertical line. So here the length and here it is a height. Can you see the image? Length and the height. How tall and how long the object is. See the next one. What is that? Yeah, what are they? Non-standard units. What are all the non-standard units? Hand span. Can you see here? So it is measured from your little finger to the thumb finger. Can you see here? What is the next one? Cubit. So it is measured from your middle finger to the elbow. Can you see here? The next one, foot. From where? Very good. So from the starting point here till the foot. What is the next one? Face. So the steps which you are moving with your legs. So from one leg to the other leg. So from the starting to the end. So that is called face. What are they? These are all the non-standard units. The next one we are going to see about the, we have learned about the non-standard. Here you are going to learn about the standard unit. What are all the standard units? Centimeter, meter. They can be represented as in a small letter cm and here as m. So 100 centimeter is equal to, very good. Here you are going to use the object ruler and here you are going to use the object meter tape. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay. If you take a long size scale, what happens? How many centimeter are there in your long size scale? 30 centimeter. In a small size scale, 15 centimeter. In the meter tape, it goes on. So that is what 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. What is that? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. The next one, here what you are going to do is, so which is in here, it's like a worksheet. Here, less than 10 centimeter. Can you see here what is less than? It should be less than the 10 centimeter. And here, the same as 10 centimeter. That is, which is equal to the object. If you take this remote, so it is a remote. So it belongs to less than 10 centimeter. It is less than 10 centimeter. So some objects, if you take a mobile, what happens? This also comes under the less than 10 centimeter. So likewise, you have to see the objects. Here you have to list out 5 objects in each. Can you see here? You have to list out 5 objects in each, less than 10 centimeters. So they have given you one example for this one, sharpener. So don't use the objects which we have learned throughout this lesson. What are the objects? Like a coconut tree, table, chair, something what we have learned in this chapter. Don't mention the objects here. Just come out, you have to look beyond. Okay, what is that? You have to look beyond. Don't see what you have learned in this chapter. Don't use that object like pencil, eraser, scale, then coconut tree. So many examples we were seeing in this chapter, isn't it? So here you have to mention less than the 10 centimeter. Here you have to write 5 objects. But the object should not be repeated, which you have learned in this lesson. All of you are clear of this? Just follow my instruction. Here you should not mention which you have learned in this chapter. So you have to think beyond. So beyond you have to think and you have to mention here the object's name. Even you can paste the pictures also here. Write the name and paste here the picture. The next one, the same as 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means, 10 centimeter means approximately it should measure only 10 centimeter. So for example, if you take a TV remote, it will be 10 centimeter or more than 10 centimeter. It depends upon the objects. Here also you have to mention any 5 objects which is equal to, very good, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Next one, more than 10 centimeter, you will get more examples. Just I'll give you clue. You can take the utensils, a spoon. Here you can use the spoon. What are the things? You can see, think beyond, okay? More than 10 centimeter. So you'll get more example for more than 10 centimeter, less than 10 centimeter, isn't it? Only for the measurement which is equal to 10 centimeter, you have to find out approximately and you have to write the objects here. Just list out all these objects. As the same, you have to find out for the meter. Here they have given for you as a centimeter. The standard unit they have given a centimeter. For the meter also you have to find. So in today's session you don't have a home fun activity, isn't it? This is your home fun activity. So this will be consideration as the project. Okay, you have to complete this. So less than 10 meter. What is that? Less than 10 meter. You are not able to measure, but you can estimate it. Just you can round off that. Okay, less than 10 meter, which is equal to 10 meter, more than 10 meter. For both the standard units, you are going to list out the objects here. For the centimeter, it is very easy. For the meter, you can just imagine, estimate it and list out. So in each column, you have to write only the 5 objects. Are you all clear of this? So this is your home fun activity. So it will be very helpful. So you have to think beyond, come out of that List out the thing. Get help from your elders, parents, or from your neighbors. Whoever they can get help from them. Okay, so I have completed this chapter successfully. We have completed. So just go through. I hope that it would be as a revision for you. So no need to revise this. So you can revise from the chapter 1 for your coming exam. Okay, we can see in the next session, that is on Monday, with the new chapter. Okay, the new chapter I will come out with the Monday. Bye bye. Take care.